Hello, everyone. As Daniel said, my name is Alexander Gecht. I'm doing my research here in Design Tech Lab with Professor Ezri Tarazi and Professor Yasha Grobman. By doing the research, I'm learning and developing new printing techniques. But my real passion is to design complex assistive technology using 3D printing. Then I am co-founded Ability Lab, and today I will share with you our work. So sitting is one of the basic human positions. Most of us even don't think about the act of sitting. Yanai diagnosed with cerebral palsy, and in addition, Yanai suffers from movement disorder, which makes daily activities even harder. Regular sitting can motivate to collapse and even fall. So cerebral palsy is caused by abnormal development or damage to part of the brain that controls movement, balance, and posture. To sit independently, children with cerebral palsy need adaptive equipment. This equipment should be customized. This equipment should be customized individually according to the body measures, but also to the functional and contextual needs. Without adaptive solution, parents are the solution. However, for the good development, children need a sitting solution. Then the solution increases independency for the user and for those who surround him. So here we can see a few examples for interaction that are very important for the development. Face-to-face interaction as reading a book, eating independently, and having responsibility in a home daily tasks. Then the main question is how we can provide custom solution for mass market. If traditional manufacturing invented to make same product million times. Moreover, mass production affects the way we design products, relying on tables and numbers, without the need to meet the user, ignoring people with special needs. Today, market divided to main two categories. The mass production of the shelf product using flat, adjustable segments to fit product to many users as it's possible, and custom body-shaped product that made by very complex processes that require collaboration of clinician and craftsmen. Complex handmade products, process including body capture, making mold, fabricating, assembling, etc. Inhaling high costs. Yet, for some users, total contact may potentially harmful. So then off-the-shelf products providing basic solution. The custom solution are too expensive for most of the users. So we want to make things simple as it's possible. We measure the body with the simple measurement tools, together with the clinician staff defining the needed position. Taking up to 15 measures, we provide fully customized anatomic fit. Based on a clinician and craftsman experience, we develop smart parametric file that transforms measure to the 3D model. This 3D model generates all product components adapted to required production technology, including fabric and padding patterns. To make the product mass customizable and affordable, we choose to use unique large-scale 3D printing technology. Printing with industrial-grade pellet materials. Comparing to the other 3D printing technologies, this technology produces tough, complex surfaces in a short time. We use it as an end product without additional processes. In this way, we produce anatomic, affordable seating that can fit every need. Perfectly fitting body without need to scan or mold. Working in the same method, we can make very complex full-body seating support. In addition, we are able to fit our products to existing environment to improve existing equipment. Simplifying the measuring and the production processes, our goal is to provide one-stop solution enabling the customer to get low-cost custom solution in a short time. We started work on this product 1 year ago. And in this moment, we're working with more than 12 rehabilitation centers and provided more than 35 products, not including the prototypes. And now we have some conclusions. In academy and the media, we can see mass customization as the obvious way to design. But in the field, it's more complex. When you have to deal with measure and manufacturing, it starts to be a real deal. At the beginning, we were sure that every customer will prefer custom solution. However, most of the customers need the anatomic structure, but prefer the standard sizes. Customization is more important to fit staff approach. Even every professional positioning staff have the method and the experience that he wants to make the assistive seat. We have a lot of work to do. We always learning from the field and improving the product. We believe that using the digital fabrication tools as 3D printing, we start with a smart parametric design, we will bring the change and the accessibility. I would like to thank Professor Ezri Tarazi and also to thank Yanai's family to share with us exciting moments that make us working harder. Thank you.